Carpet Pay, the CEO of KE, Monis Abdullah Alvi Sahab. कैसे हैं आप?
Alhamdulillah, thank you very much.
Congratulations on holding the first KE Karachi 2021 Awards. कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत खुशी हो रही है. Again, we wanted to do it at a much bigger place with a lot of people looking into it. It's unfortunate, but again, we thought that it is better to complete rather than wait and delay, and we don't know how much that delay would be. So again, but what was started, it has to be concluded, and I'm glad that we are in a position to hand over these awards to the winners.
मुझे बताइए कि what is the purpose that you have behind holding these awards and giving recognition to all of these organizations?
Again, we operate in Karachi. I'm sure people know that we start from Uthal Bela Vindar from Balochistan and go up to Garo. ये हमारी territory है. We have engagement with everyone almost in the city. We build them on a monthly basis. Go look at those areas, and you know that there are almost 42% areas which are undocumented or which are कच्ची आबादीज per se.
Right.
So हमें we know कि ना ये शहर ना it requires a lot of good work.
Yeah.
And जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को जिनको हम रिकग्नाइज कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे ये जो काम करें ना हमें we cannot do this. We have a different job to do, but we need to support them. If we don't, we are not doing justice to our job. And अगर ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस अच्छा काम करेंगी and the people who and when you go there then you will see the problems. Let me tell you, हम ये जिस जगह खड़े हैं डिफेंस क्लिफ्टन PCHS गुलशन इकबाल, it represents very small part of Karachi.
Yes.
Karachi is much beyond this place. And और वहाँ जाके जब आप उन इलाकों को देखते हैं ना तो आपको पता लगता है कि ये जो इदारे काम कर रहे हैं इनका काम करना कितना ज़रूरी है, और इनको अगर सपोर्ट नहीं होगी तो और ये इनका गुड वर्क जो है ना वो नहीं नज़र आएगा. सो द place in which we operate is not going to be a working place.
Because I think one of the ladies, she said this, she said कि this is a thankless job. हम लोग काम अपने दिल से करते हैं, लेकिन obviously जब हमें वो recognition या वो platform नहीं मिलता तो obviously it becomes difficult for them. मुझे बताएं कि ये एक अब आप permanent feature कर रहे हैं, the awards, are they going to happen every year?
Inshallah, they will happen every year.
Okay.
We have embarked on this journey. We were doing it before also, but in a different format, and we chose to make it more transparent. And I'm sure आपको पता ही होगा कि there was a jury.
Yeah.
There was a firm of chartered accountant EY. हमारा involvement, हमने एक open invitation दिया था, whoever wants to apply, and then they were evaluated, and the decisions were all we never participated in any of that entire process. So मैं समझता हूँ कि ये बिल्कुल it will not stop इंशाल्लाह. और इस बात से मैं उनका शुक्रिया भी अदा करना चाहूँगा उस ज्यूरी का जिन्होंने कि बड़ा टाइम लगाया, उस फर्म का जिसने ये सारा कुछ कंप्लीट किया. एंड आई कैन अश्योर यू it's not only a 1 year process, it's going to continue inshallah.
Inshallah. There are so many categories जो आज जिनको awards मिले हैं. Are there any other categories जो कि आप शायद अगले साल include करना चाहेंगे?
देखिए, this was the first of its kind what we did this year. So obviously बहुत सारी learnings आएंगी. We engage with those people. एक तो इन लोगों से, फिर jury से, and if you look at the jury, the people who were there, they are all very good people. So we will continue to be guided by them. And obviously कोई वो नहीं है कि हमने जो शुरू कर कोई और कैटेगरी आएगी, हो सकता है कि अभी कम थी, हो सकता है ज़्यादा हो जाए. पर ये it's not anything कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि बस अब इसी को, it is going to evolve.
So who would you say the success of tonight, this evening belongs to?
I would say K Electric overall.
Okay.
And the reason why, because first of all we started it, but again I think we have a very good team, and they have done a fantastic job with a very short span of time. Our board, they wanted this to be concluded very quickly, and if you look at the news, there are a lot of things which are happening on the KE's horizon. So while we have to address those issues, the people still they have to continue to work with the jury, and I I could see them on Zoom calls
Yeah.
while doing other things. So I think, Alhamdulillah, I think we have contributed in a much better way, and really I'm thankful, and I want to congratulate KE team and obviously congratulate the winners. And जो लोग इसमें किसी भी वजह से, अगेन हमारा कोई ताल्लुक नहीं था, बट जो जिस वजह से कोई लोग सेलेक्ट नहीं हो पाए, they definitely will have a chance to win
it
this
again,
next year, and inshallah.
Congratulations, sir. I have to say it's been a lovely, lovely evening, and congratulations to all the winners. Thank you so much for doing.
Thank you for having me here.